Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in between. And the cigarette you bummed from me is almost burning out. You suck it till your fingers burn and then you throw it on the ground. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. Even after everything we've seen, in this sterile room with blinding lights and faces pointing down, I only wanna scream, but still I just can't make a sound. Now hold my hand, hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel is less alone, less alone. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in this dream, while you watch the people speaking words you can't quite comprehend. You ask me if I'd pinch you, but my fingers wouldn't bend. I'll be right behind you, Josephine, just like I was when we were 17. I guess it's only been a year, but still it feels like 34. I don't feel like I am living in the same skin anymore. Now hold my hand, hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel is less alone, less alone. I'll be right behind you, Josephine, even when my soul's an amputee, and my bleeding heart is sinking in the lake inside my chest. So I grab what I can cling to and I leave behind the rest. Now hold my hand, I'll hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel was less alone. Now hold my hand and take my breath, and leave behind the things you'll never own. And Jesus Christ, please tear my heart out. Oh, I wanna feel a little less alone, less alone.
My blonde hair's dreaded after a long night. Deja vu, I think I said this in another life. In another form, I was a witch, a slave, the master. My crown adorned was sexually repressed. Look at the popularity of porn, and everything we eat is metagenetically processed corn. And chicken is kinda crippling and rather sickening, but also leaves me somewhat awe-stricken. The victim, she's dead. I hung her, then said it's time to start again. But first, please tell me all about about where you've been, but I'ma break out and take my fake out and take the Drake route, minus the deal and the mass appeal. I'm speaking from the subconscious beyond what some may think is real. I will insinuate, communicate, and elevate until everyone has freedom they can celebrate. I vow to be expressive. You know, ultimately some privilege can be repressive, and I came into this world without the imprint, not feeling I could trust no matter how much time was spent. My mama never left that paragraph indent, but it was heaven sent and just how it should be. And through my own prison, I'm digging out a path to free. And in the meantime, or in between time, I might be drinking wine, then freaking out and coming back to find, just to make sure you got the right impression of what I'm here to do. I know you wanna hate me or date rape me or make fun or call me flaky, but just consider a book falls apart without its cover. We all come in strange packages, we must discover the undercover, meeting deep inside each other. Why do you think it's so simple to call someone greasy, a skeezy, a cheesy, a sleazy? But saying I love you ain't easy. In fact, some say it's hard, 'cause this is a prison planet, and we are all at large. But the beings have entered to put the many back in charge. Illuminati knowledge of a few is now there for the masses, the drastic, the shaking asses, the how to lower classes, teaching a new magic in another fashion. You ain't gotta have money to know that you could make it, or be aware of heart to know that you could break it. My impatient being will not allow for dreaming without evidence. Know that I tested it and measured it and then went back to retether it. I promise, just consider all these things, all the joy that it could bring to free yourself from past strings. 'Cause the truth is in your heart, feel the pound. We are bound by an interest to be found, to be loved, to be free and to have fun. And to this end, I am here as your servant of evolution. Will you be my friend? Until we meet again.
Feel